How to transfer property titles quickly and smoothly after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Once your divorce is finalized, one of the most important next steps is making sure property titles are updated correctly, especially for real estate. Whether you're keeping the family home, your ex is taking ownership of a rental, or you're dividing multiple properties, the title must reflect what was agreed to in your divorce judgment. And if you don't handle it properly, you could run into serious legal or financial issues down the line. The most common way to transfer property between spouses after divorce is through a quitclaim deed. This document allows one party to give up their ownership interest in a property without selling it. For example, if your ex is awarded the home in the divorce, you would sign a quitclaim deed transferring your share to them. Once signed, it needs to be notarized and recorded with the county recorder's office to make the change official. It's also important to confirm whether the mortgage is being refinanced. Transferring the title does not remove someone from the loan. So if both names are still on the mortgage, the spouse keeping the property should refinance it into their name to eliminate the other person's financial responsibility. This step is essential if you want to fully separate your credit and financial ties. We recently helped a client who was supposed to receive full ownership of the marital home. Her ex had agreed to sign the quitclaim deed, but it was never filed with the county. Months later, when she tried to sell the property, the title still showed both names, delaying the transaction. We quickly prepared and recorded the correct deed so she could move forward without more stress. At Divorce661, we don't just stop at the judgment. We help make sure everything that follows is done right. From preparing quitclaim deeds to coordinating with county offices, we help ensure that property transfers are smooth, fast, and legally sound. If you need help transferring property after divorce and want to avoid delays or confusion, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll take care of the details so you can move on with peace of mind and a clean title.